Alright guys, we're here. Roll night. About to go in Willie's Whip. See what we run into tonight. Got a bunch of fast cars. Hey look, there's another Z on a tire. I don't know, man.
I think it's boosted way too.
Other than that, another Supra.
What's up with you guys?
Got a bunch of, everybody's on a tire.
Can I ask how much you paid for the wheels? Because I want to get a wheel name.
They're like 32. For both of them.
Okay, this one's
32. This technically.
Look, we got the GT500 on a fucking tire right here. Look at this shit. Shit's for show fast. Got the Hellcats, Evos. Check out the turbo right there. More. That's this boosted Z right here. It's for show boosted. Look at that intercooler. Oh, cat, that G82 right here. Oh, it's on a vlog. Where's Fresh Pig's at? We'll put a vlog on his face, huh? We got the bikes at another boosted Mustang. Yeah, huh?
Bro, that shit is big.
Yeah, you see the light though? It's fucking. Look at that. This shit right here. Carbon fenders. Hey, carbon front end. They're out too. Another Hellcat. Shit. Last time, Marrow Boy, huh? He just revealed his color today, I think. The Mac the Shooter. Yeah, it's in my favorite. Shit, you got the pink Camaro. More scats. M340Is. On the Pure turbos, Willie, you got that? BMS. Bro, once we gotta go boost. Look at, we can't. I don't stand a chance here. Like, I'm not bringing my car. We got Crispy right here. Tapping with Crispy.
Always fresh,
churros.
always crispy, teleport.
What's up, Crispy?
Having a great time, serving.
Cap. Bruh, chill. Oh shit. Okay. Hey, that's the one I wanted to race you, fool. Upgraded turbo one, no? The M2 with the big turbo on it. Looks like it. I got the AMG. Oh, I see the eyes doing that. Chill, bruh. Where's that fucking Fabian? Where you at?
When did he start vlogging? Right now.
I already have 80 subscribers. Subscribe. I have 80 subscribers and I have like maybe like 5 videos.
Oh wow.
Oh look, camouflage. The cops won't find him. Camouflage the charger right there. Damn, Z06. Sav, quit playing. Get us Z06. That shit. Shit. There's that Camp Camaro.
He said, bro, what the fuck?
These are clean. V, supercharged. Oh, this is the one that you raced. Remember that? Same car. Not the same exact guy, but crazy. Oh, that's her car right there. This is yours, no?
Make sure to get that.
All right. Fastest M2 in SoCal. Tap in.
Ignore the windshield crack.
Tap in if you need a run. Just downpipe and tune.
Oh, shut the fuck
Downpipe and
up.
tune. Tap in. There's 1,000 horsepower. Oh yeah, intakes now. She got a Whipple under that hood. That Whipple. Stop playing. Don't pop the hood. We got Sav over here breaking the fucking everyone's necks, including me. 5 point. Tap in. Oh look, we got some more fuckers right here.
That's it.
Yeah, perro. Oh shit, he can't be fast, so you gotta be on it. 2 for 5, tap in. Get the balloons on.
Go to the other side. What's over there?
Oh, there's Trappin' Alex and all of the fools. Trappin'.
Take it off, it'll be a view.
HK. HK's here. Look at this Trappin'. You got Saul over there. The Cam SS. That's just hard, bro. You got the Beamer on the tire. The 5.0. HK out here.
Yeah.
Bro left his exhaust at home. We got that shit with a rod knock.
You wanna go record?
That's just ticking. Yeah, let's go look for the one with the fucking parachute. Everyone was on a tire today. Got trapped in again. Got that shit right here. The white vet. More Beamers. Let's see what's up. Let's see, we got more Q50s. That Camaro though. I'm trying to see that. Right? Shit, LT1. The Beamer. This shit is crazy. Look at this shit. Look at that VMS full drag pack. It's crazy. This one's Cam. I've heard it before. Oh, the one with the parachutes right here. Look. Look at this shit. We got a Hellcat with a parachute. Hey, what kind of plates are those? I don't know. Look at this shit right here. We actually got a fucking parachute on it. Crazy. God damn, bro. Dude, that's just a fucking parachute on it.
Where?
The bag, look at the parachute.
I didn't see it.
Look. Oh shit. Going plane.
Okay.
It's a bunch of stock 720S. We in the Zilla today. It's kind of sprinkling. Let's hope that doesn't affect anything, but hopefully it stops. We got Camaros on the tires. We got F1 LE. We got some Beamers. That Z's on a tire as well. Let it get active. It's gonna be quite a while till we get out of here because everyone's fucking stupid. But yeah, we got 5.0s. We got some CTSVs over there. There's everything here. There's literally fucking G80s. There's fucking Mustangs, Hellcats, Camaros, Corvettes. Anything, even bikes. But we'll see how this goes, man. We got 2 solid runs in. Weather is taking this shit. Yeah, it's raining right now. So we're headed home now, playing it safe. My boy is top mounted turbo, so he's gotta make it home too. Yeah, look at that, it's rain. I don't know if you can tell, but it's fucking raining. And he's on a slick tire right now, so shit, it's looking sketch. Guys, you see I had to move the vet. was able to get my boy's cart in the garage to secure that top mounted turbo kit. Fuck. Luckily we made it. But we got 2 solid runs in, so yeah, that's all we needed.